In this video, we are going to see that how to replace the old submersible motor with a new submersible motor. The rating of submersible motor is 3 phase 5 HP, 17 steps. Vijnan Institute of Information Technology. One motor is damaged, so that we want to replace that submersible motor with a new submersible motor. So this is the submersible motor. In that we are pouring the water for cooling purpose. For the submersible motor, we have to give the 3 phase supply. So we are going to connect the 3 phase supply also, because it is a 3 phase submersible motor. We are closing the top cap of the submersible motor. Next, we are making ready the pump also. The pump is connected to the nippling of a HT pipe. So that is the pump. This is connected to the HT pipe. So one side of the pump we have to connect to the other side. We have to connect to the motor. This is cabling tray. This is a nippled HT black pipe, that is 2 inch. The pump is connected to the this HT pipe one side, other side is connected to the motor. After connecting this pump to the HT pipe, we have to tight that one. Other side we are going to connect for the 3 phase 5 HP submersible motor. This is somewhat hard work for me. Requires manpower also. Now already one side we connected the black HT pipe. Other side we have to connect to the motor board, so that when the motor is running, the pump will be collecting water from the ground level. See, right bolts and nuts. We are fixing that pump to the submersible motor. This motor is a KSB motor. This is the electrical pipe. So this is the pump. On the pump, this is a cable tray. That is the joint where motor and the pump is coupled. This is the tray, cable. Plus total things we are going to keep inside of a borewell, so that during running the well should not come outside. So some places we are applying the taping also. So slowly we are taking this submersible motor with a pump inside of a borewell. This manner, see how many people are working to keep this pump borewell. Nearly 4 members manpower is required. After that, for this wire we are going to give a 3 phase supply, because whenever we are giving 3 phase supply, the motor will be on. When the motor is on, the pump also will be running. It is collecting the water from the bottom of the manhole. Now we are going to give the connection to the motor to the 3 phase supply. Whenever these are the different phases, we are making a electrical connection. After that, we are applying the taping also. So this is the taping. In this manner, remaining 3 wires also have to make a electrical connection. Everywhere we have taken into consideration now, the wire should not be short circuited, so that's why we are applying the taping also. Now the outlet of the pipe we have to give connection, so that the water will be close to the some places name Vijnan Institute of Information Technology, because this work is done at Vijnan Institute of Information Technology. First, we are testing whether the motor is running or clicking with three-phase supply. We are checking whether the water is coming or not. After that, we are going to make this output of the motor will be connected to this. Okay, yes, the water is coming outside. Now we are making a permanent connection in this manner. Thank you very much for watching this video.